Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm actually going to use a cool plugin called SignalBus, which allows you to create global signals in Godot 4. To get started, head over to asset.lib, type in SignalBus, SignalBus by Woki-Do, download, install, okay. Head over to your project settings, plugins, enable it. You'll now get this new SignalBus tab. We won't be using this quite yet. Go ahead and close this. For this example, I'm going to make a new scene. Let's create a new button. Drag it up a bit. Let's go make a new script. I'm going to connect the button pressed to the script. In here, we're going to be using our SignalBus to emit a global signal. So type in SignalBus.emit signal. Let's call it test signal. Next, we need to register our signal. So I'm going to copy the name, head over to project settings. Next, add in the signal name and press add. For this signal, we're not going to be using any parameters, so I'm going to go ahead and close it. Now we need something to receive the signal, so I'm going to create a new node. Going to call it test receiver. Going to create a new script. Here, I'm going to create a new function. Let's call it test function. Now let's go and print out signal received. Next, we need to add a SignalBus subscriber as a child to our test receiver. Now, our subscribe signal is going to be our test signal, and our method call will be our test function. Now, if we go to press the scene and press the button, you'll see we get our signal. Now, let's take this a step further and add some parameters. Let's head back to our SignalBus inside of our project settings. Let's add a new parameter to our test signal. Let's just call it message. I'm going to make it a string. Now let's head back to our emitter. We can add in a argument. So let's say hello world. And now back to our test receiver. We'll take in an argument called message string. I'm going to default this to a blank string. And then I'm going to add in the message to our printout. Now if we're going to run that and press the button, you'll see that we have our argument printed out. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Gonna enter in our signal name and press enter. It's not working. It's not working.